Hi children, welcome back to Learn with Hriyansh. In this video, we are going to enjoy the midnight Dominos Pizza. Yes, you heard it right. So, let's go. You can see now Hriyansh is getting inside the Dominos Pizza store. Unfortunately, as it was a closing time, we could not get the pizza.
Eleven o'clock it's closed.
No worries children, we found out a new cafe nearby Domino's. Let's go. This is Chayos. Can you see how beautiful the ambience is? Even in midnight they were open and serving. Look at the beautiful interiors. Here, Hriyansh's father is looking out the menu. Meanwhile, Hriyansh is enjoying at the new place. Now, it's the time to order. Do you know how to give an order at a cafe? Look how Hriyansh gives his order.
I was taking sis. This I'm taking. Sophie is taking vanilla cake with two different colors. I ordered two.
Two.
Banana cake.
Okay, banana cake vanilla. Okay.
What did you order?
I ordered banana cake.
Okay.
Next. After taking an order, they will take some time to serve the food which you have ordered. Meanwhile, Hriyansh is exploring the new cafe. Finally, our order is here. Can you see? This is a banana brownie.
So nice.
This brownie was made up of not only banana but also walnuts, and it was delicious. We even ordered banana milkshake to accomplish the brownie. You can see Hriyansh's father is taking this order. As it was too late and it was a cafe closing time, we decided to go out and enjoy our food in an open area. Beautiful ambience, isn't it? After having delicious food at the cafe, we decided to go back to our home. As it was a new place for us, Hriyansh is holding his father's finger and going with him. If it is a strange place or a new place, always take your parents' help, or else you may get lost. Finally, we have reached our parking lot. Hope you have liked our midnight snacking. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you all in our next video.